I feel like playing some slow songs, people. I'll get my energy back in a minute, but I feel like playing some slow songs right now. This one I'm going to play for a friend of mine who died. His name was Otis Redding Jr. He was the son of Otis Redding, and we used to sing this song together. He died last year. This one's for you, Otis. I got dreams to remember. I got dreams to remember. Honey, I saw you there last night. Another man's arms were holding you tight. No one knows how I feel inside. All I know is I walked away and I cried. I got dreams to remember. Listen to me. I got dreams to remember. You told me he was just your friend, but I saw you kiss him again and again. These eyes of mine, they don't fool me. How could he hold you so tenderly? I got dreams to remember. Don't make me suffer. I got dreams to remember, baby. I still want you to stay. I still love you anyway. Oh, my darling, I don't want to watch you leave. Hey, little girl, you just satisfy me. Oh, yeah. Dreams to remember. I got dreams to remember. Yeah. There's no way to end this song. If you ever change your mind about leaving me behind, oh, you got to bring it to me. Bring your sweet loving. Bring it on home to me. Yeah. You know I tried so hard to treat you right, but you stayed out day and night. I'll forgive you if you just bring it to me. Bring me your sweet loving. Oh, baby, you got to bring it on home. Yeah. You know I'll always be your slave till I'm buried. Till I'm buried in my grave. And it won't be long, but I'm gonna want you to bring it to me. Bring me your sweet loving. Bring it on home to me, yeah. We're gonna make like Sam Cooke at the Harlem Square Club in 1958. Let me hear you say yeah, 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 oh yeah. I'm gonna forgive you if you bring it to me. Bring your sweet loving now. Oh, you got to bring it on home to me. Bring it on home to me. Bring it on home. Let's do that again. I want to hear you say yeah, yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.